Weltpolitik is a German word. It was all to do with Kaiser Wilhelm's aim in his foreign policy, what he wanted his foreign policy to look like, how he wanted it to go ahead. It means world policy. And it's a German phrase or German word that the Kaiser used to try and signify that Germany had arrived on the world stage. Kaiser Wilhelm II was Queen Victoria's grandson. He had a deformed left arm that came from childbirth, and it was always as if he was trying to prove himself on the global scale, especially with his cousin, Tsar Nicholas of Russia, and King George V, were seen as so successful and so popular leaders. Wilhelm was always trying to prove himself. Weltpolitik was his way of proving himself. He was jealous of the British Empire, and he wanted Germany to have a place in the sun. By that I mean an overseas territory, overseas empire, to not necessarily rival Britain, but to maybe have a German equivalent. Therefore, when Morocco becomes a figure of controversy, the Kaiser Wilhelm is very keen to get involved because he sees Morocco as a potential way in to having this greater empire, this Weltpolitik, this world policy. So Weltpolitik is nothing difficult, except it is the German policy that Kaiser Wilhelm wanted to follow. And for exam answers, if you think about bringing this in to signify and demonstrate the potential threat that Germany might pose.